Welcome to New Aspirants Telangana MBBS Admission 2023 Analysis Category B Management Quota Seat Private Medical Colleges. How to get MBBS Admission 2023 at Private Medical Colleges Category B is under classified B1 and B2 Management Quota Seat Telangana. Dear students and parents, please click subscribe button for more information and videos. Easy way to get MBBS Admission Telangana. There are 20 non-magnetic private colleges and 4 minority private colleges in Telangana state. There is a 35% of category B seats. It's classified under 50% for B1 and 80% of B2 local Telangana students. There is a clear chart given in the video. Please go through it. Management seat sharing data MBBS Admission Telangana. MBBS private non-minority have 20 colleges. It's under 175 seats in B1 and 956 seats in B2, 494 seats in NRI category of C category. Private minority have 4 colleges, 22 seats in B1, 114 seats in B2 of Telangana students, 84 seats for NRI students under C category. BDS private non-minority have 12 colleges, 60 seats for B1 open category, 360 seats of B2 Telangana student, and then 180 seats for category C NRI student. Please go through it chart very carefully. Fees. There are 24 private medical colleges. The least one is 11.55 lakhs and maximum 14 lakhs under minority colleges. Dear student, please go through it in the chart given in the videos. Seat matrix. Under category B seats of 35% intake seats is classified and B1 for 50% seat and B2 have 85% seats given in the different medical colleges. Please go through it thoroughly. Private medical college category B cutoff marks 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. Under open category B1 round 2 cancelling have 15%, 541 marks in Apollo Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, and least one is 420 marks in TRR Institute of Medical Sciences under open category. The same thing is B2 round 2 cancelling local Telangana students in B2, 429 marks in Apollo Institute of Medical Science and Research, 182 marks in TRI Institute of Medical Sciences. The remaining 4 minority colleges have given in the chart. Please go through it, and minority students only eligible for minority colleges if there is a vacancy and it may be converted to open category. To know information on MBBS Admission 2023 Category B Management Quota Telangana Medical Admission, please refer following websites: http://knruhstelangana.gov.in, or the candidate can access web option and check the allotment status for MBBS seats in all medical colleges under KNRUHS through https://tspvtmedadm.tsch.in. Dear students, please apply for your suitable colleges under B1 for open category and B2 for local student for private medical colleges. In 2022 onwards, there is a good chance for Telangana students to apply category B in B2, and very less NEET cutoff marks are admitted in 2022 onwards. Best wishes. Thank you to all.